What is going on, guys? It's Caleb here from A New Expression, where we help you become your greatest self. And today's topic, we're going to be talking about confidence. How do we obtain confidence? How do we grow in confidence? And how do we just sustain that kind of confidence in ourselves? Most likely, if you're watching this video, the reason why you click on this video is because you wanted to find out how to grow your confidence. Or if you don't have any confidence at all, how to even gain that kind of ounce of confidence in yourself, or you're just interested about me, and that's all good too. So this is a question that I've been asking myself for years now. It's been years since I've been asking myself this question, and I have put a lot of thought into it, right? Through trial and error, through experience, I've witnessed and saw what works when growing your own confidence and trying to build that kind of confidence in yourself, whether that be when you're trying to meet new people, when you're socializing, or in a business setting, when you're going in the business meeting, or when you're trying to close a sale, or when you're trying to make leads and make sales and all of that. Confidence is key. Confidence is actually the only thing that you need to strive in this world. As long as you have confidence in yourself, that will contribute, that will lead into your actions, and that will your attitude and everything about yourself. You're so much more likely to get high results with confidence, and that's why I think confidence is so important. If you're good at something, right? Let's say you're good at talking to people, or you're good at, maybe a sales job, but you don't have confidence in yourself. You're good at the skill, but you don't have confidence in it. Then you're not going to strive. Whereas if you had somebody else that might not be as good at that skill, or might not be good at that thing, but they have confidence in themselves, they believe in themselves, and therefore they're able to strive and get the results that you couldn't have gotten. So confidence is key. You have to believe in yourself in order to make big things happen, right? In order for you to create change in yourself, you need to grow that confidence. And what I think has been so misconstrued and just has been broken down was like the true meaning of confidence, and how do we actually obtain confidence. There's a lot of people out there that are trying to teach you confidence, trying to teach you tips and tricks on how to be confident, but I really don't think that works. I know it doesn't work because I've tried that for myself. For you guys that don't know me, I struggled through social anxiety, depression, just a dark period of my time, and I was able to come back from that. I was able to grow in my own confidence. And this is when I had really low self-esteem, right? I was really insecure with myself, and I did it all. I went on the website, tried to find videos on how to be confident, right? And there was all these tips and tricks like stand up taller, have your chest out, speak louder, do all these things, but they weren't helping me. Right? It was ridiculous now that I think of it. I went to a classroom setting, and this is where I grew a lot of my anxiety and insecurity, was in my classroom settings at school. And so I would go to school, go to my classroom settings, and I come in with all these lists of things that I needed to do, right? Talk louder, have your chest out, give straight eye contact, spread your body out, try to take up as much space as possible. And I did all these things. I remember walking to a classroom, and I sit down, and I'm like, I have my chest out, I'm staring at everybody, and then, I'm asking, how's everybody's day going? Like, oh, I'm doing great. And I'm like raising my voice. It's obnoxious. It's not necessary. And it was just it was putting on a facade. It was masking the insecurity that I had. I wasn't confident in myself. I was just trying to act as if I had confidence. But true confidence, guys, if you guys can do that all you want, and you will find out that that doesn't work, right? It might relieve some of the stress, but it's not a long-term solution. If in order to be confident, you need to truly be confident. It's not some bullshit. It's not something that you try to fake, but it's true confidence. It's not fake it till you make it. It's becoming it. Becoming confident. And the question I always ask myself is, how do I do that? How do I actually achieve this true confidence? Not this shit that other people put out, all these tips and tricks and try to feel better, but actually obtain that true confidence.
And that's the question I always ask myself. And I believe I have a lot of these solutions. Now, after a lot of research, after a lot of readings and buying courses and doing all these things, I really fell down into a foundation, right? To an actual solution that works to build confidence, to get rid of insecurity, to get rid of anxiety, right? To grow confidence in yourself. And while I was doing that, my research showed me that confidence, insecurity, all these things that you have about yourself, right? In order to grow confidence, it all comes down to your beliefs. It all comes down to your beliefs. It comes down to the things that you believe about yourself, to the things that, the thoughts that are going through your head, the emotions that you're feeling. All of these things that are happening within you plays a role, right? When you're trying to be confident, you have to take into consideration your posture, your mindset, your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions, what you're feeling. That all contributes to your confidence. Excuse me. You know, you can't be feeling anxious. You can't be having all these thoughts about how you're gonna mess up, how you're gonna do so bad, how you're gonna perform, how you're gonna embarrass yourself. You can't have these thoughts and be confident. You can't. You just can't do that. You need to have your thoughts and your beliefs and everything aligned with what you want to do, right? That all needs to be aligned with confidence. And so the first step in order to grow confidence in yourself is start to become aware of the things that you hold about yourself, right? All the negativity and all the things that you hold about yourself, limiting beliefs, all these things that you believe about yourself, list them out and become aware of that. Because that's the things that are holding you back from being confident. So if you think that you're ugly, if you think that you're quiet, if you think you're awkward, right? If you think you're not this good enough image, write that all down, because all those beliefs conjumbled and put together is the reason why you're insecure, is the reason why you're not growing confidence in yourself. There's something within you, in your belief system and your thought system, that is preventing you from being confident. It's not a matter of ignoring that and trying to act confident and acting confident until you are confident. No, it's not about that. It's becoming aware of the things that are making you insecure, that are making you anxious. And then when you get rid of all these negative things, right? All these negative things that you believe about yourself, then you grow confidence. Then there's nothing stopping you, right? There's nothing negative about yourself that you believe about yourself that wouldn't make you confident. So it's a matter of getting rid of the things that are holding you back from being confident. And then in that position, you'll have nothing that is negative about yourself. And from there, you're so much more confident. You built that confidence. So confidence is a matter of stripping all the things that you hold about yourself, all the negative things that you tell about yourself, and getting rid of that. And then from there, you have true confidence. That is how you obtain true confidence. That's how you grow confidence in yourself. It's becoming aware of all the negative things that you hold about yourself. And in that position, it's so much more easy for you to grow confidence. It's so much more easier for you to talk confidently. It's so much more easier for you to go to the business meeting and be confident in what you're selling. Right? It's so much more easier for you to grow a relationship, to make friendships around you, because you have that confidence in yourself. You believe in yourself. You believe that you're worthy enough to make that sale, to make that friend, right? To grow good relationships, to talk to that girl. So that's how you grow true confidence. It's not a matter of faking confidence. It's not a matter of, doing these tips and tricks to act more or come across as more confident. It's truly being confident. It's finding that true confidence in yourself. And in that position, you'll come across as truly confident. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of that. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, guys. If you guys want more content, anything along these lines, make sure you subscribe, comment on what you guys want to see. And yeah, remember that change happens only with a new expression. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Take care, guys.